Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through the essential steps to prepare for a shipping container drop-off. Whether you're using it for storage, an office, or a new project, getting it right from the start is crucial. Let's dive in. Step 1. Determine the size and type of your shipping container. The most common sizes are 20 foot and 40 foot, and they come in various types like standard and high cube. Knowing this helps you prepare the right space and equipment. Step 2. Site preparation for a shipping container drop-off. Choose a location with enough space and ensure the ground is dry, level, and stable. If needed, lay down gravel or concrete pads to create a solid foundation for your shipping container. Step 3. Check for permits and regulations for shipping container placement. Always check with your local authorities to see if you need a permit to place a shipping container on your property. Step 4. Schedule the delivery of your shipping container. Coordinate with your shipping company to set a delivery date and time. Make sure everyone involved knows the location and any special instructions. Step 5. Prepare access routes for the shipping container delivery. Ensure the roads leading to your site are clear of any overhead obstacles like overhanging wires, branches, and structures, and capable of handling the delivery truck's size and weight. Step 6. Inform your neighbors and anyone else who might be affected by the shipping container delivery. This helps avoid any potential conflicts or access issues. Step 7. Mark the drop-off area clearly with cones, flags, or paint. This guides the driver to the exact spot where you want the shipping container placed. Step 8. Ensure safety measures are in place for the shipping container drop-off. Keep the area clear of unnecessary personnel and have safety gear on hand. Step 9. Be present during the shipping container delivery. Supervise the drop-off and communicate with the driver to ensure the container is placed correctly. Step 10. Inspect the shipping container for any damages and verify it's positioned as intended and stable. Step 11. Secure the shipping container. Lock it up if needed and add any additional stabilization measures like chocks or tie-downs. Step 12. Complete any necessary paperwork with the delivery driver, including signing delivery receipts and noting any discrepancies. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient shipping container drop-off. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips on shipping containers, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.